Respondent has claimed an interim maintenance of 5 lakh.
My lord, my husband, he is a member in plenty of clubs, but I need some money to go there. No, my lord. Membership will not give me any reputation there. I need to spend there.
You don't have money to take care of. How can you purchase?
I have not
Right.
purchased. I have not purchased.
What you need for 40,000 in a month?
Though I am living in a posh bungalow, my condition sometimes I should take the help from the servant of my house. He roams in a Mercedes Benz. Today he has come to the court in Mercedes Benz. I have come in a BMTC bus. My lord, I have my own personal dignity, my lord.
He has come in a Mercedes Benz which is 12 years old. She's living in a penthouse.
Everything
food-
is available.
No, my lord, the food is not available to me. My condition is worse than the servant. I have to beg for each and every aspect.
If that is the situation, you wouldn't have been staying in that house from the last several
My lord,
years.
where I will go? He has made several properties wherein he has purchased few property in my name. Few of them have been purchased in my name, but the document and the possession and the rent he is only enjoying. That is why clearly I have stated in my evidence affidavit which I have filed before the trial court. There is no dispute that few properties have been purchased in my name, but I have not seen that property at all till today. Still, because he being a real estate businessman.
Record that in these properties are in her name and she is only receiving the rents.
Yes, your lordship can record it. He doesn't have the rents because it is directly going to her share market.
My lord, share
Can be
market
recorded.
is not-
I have
my lord,
stated in
let me
affidavit,
explain few aspects with regard to stock market, my lord. No single paisa can be credited by cash. Everything has to be transferred through account only. There is a SEBI. My lord, each and every year, if I gain any profit, I should declare it immediately. Or otherwise, nowadays, my lord, the technology has reached that stage that automatically it will reflect in my IT returns. If I gain any profit with regarding. It is not like that I will avoid my account, I will go and deposit in stake market. How it is possible? That is not at all possible. There is a demat account that has to be registered. Through demat account, there will be an account will be attached to it. And through that account only the amount has to be transferred and amount has to be withdrawn to the same account. There is no other alternative options is available. My lord, it is fully secured business of stock market, my lord. Wherein all these allegations she is making repeatedly that I have deposited. Where is that documents, my lord? My lord, there might be a small piece of some amount, 1,000, which is given by my mother, which I have stated myself in my state assets and liability. My lord, even those insurance policies will not feed me any food. Wherein I should admit in the hospital and where I should be bedridden, then the claim has to be claimed by one of the legal heirs, then I will get that amount. And my lord, the insurance policy which he is alleging that life insurance he is paying, I am not beneficiary for it. In case something goes wrong to, he will be put into the beneficiary post, not me. My lord, he is repeatedly, the petitioner is showing I am paying LIC. If something goes wrong, he is benefited, not me. My lord, even health policy, my lord, I should admit in the hospital. That then they will pay it to the hospital. They are saying that I am paying the health insurance. She is taking full benefit of it. What benefit I have taken? Whether if I go to normal clinic, if I take a medicine from the medical store, whether the insurance policy is going to help me? And there are a lot of procedures where I have taken the use of it. My lord, even the club membership she has shown. My lord, my husband, he is a member. He is a member in there is plenty of clubs wherein automatically when the husband becomes a member, they will issue a membership card to me. Let him show a single piece of data whether I have gone and eaten single plate over there during this period when I have claimed for a maintenance. My lord, card will be issued because he is the golden member of those big clubs. Automatically he will receive that club. But what is the benefit? Where I have gone? But I need some money to go there, no, my lord. Only membership will not feed me. Membership will not give me any reputation there. I need to spend there in order to go there. My lord, even there is 8 crore rupees of fixed deposit which he has invested in Vijaya Bank. And there are 4 crore rupees of in Canara Bank which he has revealed in the assets and liability. My lord, he says that he has paid 8 lakhs where his own document shows that he has paid 33 lakhs income tax during the period when I filed an application. That is what I categorically stated, demonstrated before, because their own document says different and they are making submission different. My lord, one humble submission, my lord. Let them explain in their assets and liability which they have filed before the trial court to say single rupee spent towards me. They are showing their liability towards the child or itself. He is saying in his assets and liability that he is looking after the child. That is not disputed. We are not disputing it. He is paying the school fees. We are admitting. We ourselves saying he is paying. My lord, again and again they are trying to confuse this matter, my lord, wherein there is no single rupee expense has been shown by him that he is spending towards me. And the cash box is, my lord, there is a oral submission she made before the trial court that we have kept a cash box wherein she can take whatever she wants. If that is so, pay through account, no? If you are so glad that you want to help the wife, well, how it can be believable? Even that is not been disclosed in the asset in liability which they have filed before the trial court. If really it is this, the story can be assumed. There is a cash box where she can, how much ever amount she wants, she can withdraw it. If that is the statement, my lord, let them transfer in the account. Even my lord, he has so many properties which have stated in asset statement, which they also stated, my lord. No measurement of those properties have been disclosed. No value have been disclosed properly, my lord. Wherein hundreds of acres, my lord, where he is gaining income through agriculture, which they are not disclosed before this honorable court. My lord, he keeping in so many agriculture land, measuring more than 100 acres. My lord, whether it can be assumed that he has no income out of that agriculture, my lord. Just because he has not disclosed in his asset and liability, whether the court can be deprived of considering those aspects, my lord. My lord, by this time, my lord, if I have not left my job, I would have been in a topmost position in the bank. I was manager at that time in 2004. By this time, I would have reached the executive post.
Yes, anything else?
My lord.
Even, my lord, one more submission, my lord. All the transaction amount, I have explained in my affidavit, my lord. From mother, brother, all the transactions, whatever deposit, my lord, it can be seen, my lord, how difficult life I'm leading. Gold loans, brother, mother, no husband.
What is she spending for all that? No, you have shown that bank transactions coming the inflow of the amount. What is that you have spent? How much you are spending? Where is that expenditure? Not
My lord,
saying, not giving the expenditure like
my
this.
lord, the thing is, when initially he has started neglecting me, I kept my jewels. I borrowed loan.
Then
For which interest?
You are getting the amount. What is that you are spending for?
Well, my daily needs, my food.
What are they? If you spend anything, you get a receipt for that. Is
No,
it not?
everything will not get received. No, my lord.
What else? It is something.
My lord,
They're saying 2.5 lakh rupees. There should be at least 50,000 shows on account.
my lord, as on today, with great difficulty, by taking help, I'm leading. But I'm entitled to lead such a life, my lord. I'm entitled to lead because the husband is so lavish, he has secured. And moreover, my lord, as being a dutiful wife, I'm discharging all my duty with the best possible ways, my lord. When that being the case, I'm entitled. I'm also
This
human.
MC is still pending 2019. What is the stage of the MC now?
Just it is, the evidence is to commence and
It is, why is it,
because
why
the records were called for here, my lord. In his case, records were called for, so the matter is stopped right there.
No, we'll ask the family court to decide this matter by December 15.
Early, that will be better, my lord.
Yes.
And
Please come.
I have the statements, bank records,
My lord.
BSNL site being bought, gold loans being taken up,
That is
share
transferred by
investment.
mother.
This
That
is all
what I
their
said.
own
It is
affidavits, my
transferred
lord.
by mother. And
There is nothing on record.
Money, you don't have money to take care of. How can you purchase?
I have not
Right.
purchased. I have not purchased.
This is-
my lord,
this-
my mother stays in Andhra Pradesh, and I stay here. And mother opted a site through society where she transferred amount to me and asked me to deposit there. It is crystal clearly. It can be made out in my account statement that she transferred. I transferred to the society. The two installments, my lord. Rather than that, there is no other further transaction. My lord, if someone's asked me, I cannot be. My lord, though.
Please don't, you restrict your arguments.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't try to give all hypothetical
Yes.
examples and all.
Yes,
No.
yes.
Please restrict your arguments to the case.
क्या सच में 2,40,000 रुपए एक व्यक्ति के महीने का खर्च उठाने के लिए कम पड़ जाते हैं? इस पर आपकी क्या राय है, हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताइए। जैसा कि हमने पहले भी बताया था, कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट की इस कार्यवाही अभी भी जारी है और इसी मामले में पति ने अपनी दलील रखते हुए कहा कि वह पत्नी और बच्चों की हर जरूरत का ध्यान रखता है। यहाँ तक कि घर में एक नकद बॉक्स भी रखा है जिसे कोई भी अपनी जरूरत के मुताबिक पैसे ले सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी पत्नी हमेशा शिकायत करती रहती है कि उसके पास जीविका चलाने के लिए पैसे नहीं है। वही पत्नी की ओर से पेश वकील ने पलटवार करते हुए कहा कि पति सिर्फ अनदेखी करता है और जरूरी खर्चों के लिए कोई पैसा उपलब्ध नहीं कराता। उन्होंने यह भी आरोप लगाया कि जो फ्लैट्स और प्रॉपर्टीज पति ने पत्नी को गिफ्ट करने का दावा किया है वे सिर्फ कागजों पर है और असल में पति ही उनसे लाभ उठा रहा है। इस पर माननीय न्यायाधीश ने महिला से सवाल किया कि जब उसके खाते में पहले ही से एक बड़ी राशि मौजूद है और वह नियमित रूप से उसका इस्तेमाल भी कर रही है तो वह कैसे कह सकती है कि वह आर्थिक रूप से परेशान है। यह मामला अभी जारी है, जल्दी हम आपको इसके अगले अपडेट से अवगत कराएंगे। धन्यवाद।